Hi, we're Josh and Elisa. We are weekend warrior RVers that love to travel with our two kids, Trayton and Aston, and our large pack of dogs. Meet Fennec, Everest, Pyro, Raza, Fraggle, Mogul, and our newest addition, Tango. Come join us while we explore the Badlands of Drumheller and wait patiently for the Easter Bunny to arrive. Hello everybody. Okay, so I'm at home right now. I just wanted to touch base with you guys to let you know kind of what's going on in this episode. It's Easter weekend and we have the boys and they have no idea, but we are going to be taking them on an adventure. Saturday morning, we're going to put the boys in the motorhome and we're going to travel back to Drumheller and do some adventures there and stay at the campground that we stayed at last time because we know that it's like super kid friendly. They've been biting at the bit to try to get into the motorhome and go for a weekend away. So we thought that this would be the best time to do it. The Easter Bunny hopefully will also be visiting us at the campground, and hopefully the boys will be doing a little hunt in our campsite, so it should be a lot of fun. So this video will be full of our two sons' Easter weekend. All right, boys. So are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you know where you're going yet?
No, because you won't tell us.
That's right. You ready? Okay, here we are down in the Badlands Interpretive Trail. It is wonderful down here. There's got a whole bunch of cool little plaques and stuff for the kids to read. They've been just climbing all over the stuff. We only brought 3 of the dogs with us. We have Raza, Pyro, and Mogul for this walk. This is a must-see with your kids. What do you think, hun?
Yeah, this is like one of the coolest trails we've done, at least here in Drumheller. This is wicked.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Now I know why it never worked out before. Hello, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me.
Yeah, I don't want to kill that egg.
Okay, so the Easter Bunny says that they're
I'm just gonna call.
You know, they say the RV life is all glitz and glam and just amazing and just fun to do all the time, which we do agree with, which is pretty awesome, but
sometimes it's the shits.
there's also some moments like this that, well, sometimes we care enough to talk about, but this is actually one of Elisa's jobs. I got out of it, so yeah, we're gonna let her do take care of some business, and then we are heading out of the RV park today. We're gonna be going to the Hoodoos to go do a little bit of hiking with the kids before we hit the road back to Calgary. All right, we'll see you there.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my
So it's early morning. Well, not early. It's like 9:30, something like that. And we've gone just down the road a little bit to the Hoodoos, and there is nobody here. It's amazing. It's a little chilly. Yesterday when we were by this part, the whole parking lot was packed. So it's almost like we have the whole place to ourselves, which is kind of magical.
let's go, let's be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for.